get personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating.
Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. She got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. Briana Marie, the go-to stylist, treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
All this black on, look like I'm about to go do something. I don't know. Hey Dals, welcome back to another video. It is me, your girl, Briana Marie, and I'm back at you with another YouTube video. This is none other than your makeup tutorial. Now y'all know I don't be coming on here without my hair done, but maybe I got me some fabric and I did a turban. Sometimes these things are hard to stay on my head, cause my head's so small. So I'm gonna find a better way to wrap this. But I feel also too that I would have to do it with my makeup off, if that makes sense. Not off, with my makeup on. Sorry, I have to do the wrap with my makeup on because it's gonna get on the turban like it's doing now, and then I have to go in the video or the post and edit this out. I never did that in video, but it'd be cool to know if I could edit that in video. But all videos are raw. I just know that you can go in and edit this part in the photo. But nonetheless, y'all, I love the turban. I think I'm gonna come with more turbans. Especially like I said, when my hair isn't done, turbans are going to be that girl. Because I have to get these looks out. So y'all, if y'all see me in a turban, just know that my hair is not done. Just know that it's slicked up, but this turban's about to eat and the makeup is about to eat with it. Okay, I want to get into this video. This is a Nova Beauty tutorial. So if y'all want to see how cheap this look, please keep on watching. Hey Dolls, welcome back to another video. It is me, your girl Briana Marie, and you're tuning into another makeup tutorial. So let's jump right into this look, y'all. So y'all already know I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my brows, and after I clean up my brows, I'm gonna go ahead and laminate them with this brow gel, and then after that, wait for it to dry all the way and put some powder on. So y'all, I had to incorporate the brows. I always incorporate the brows. I don't know. It's just a transformation of what we are doing. So I just go ahead and I line my brows. Starting from the back, I draw a line, and then I also go ahead and draw a line at the top as well. But first of all, I'm going to go ahead and draw that line at the bottom, actually going under where my brow is, and I'm not going with my brow, if that makes sense, because some areas are sparse and missing. So after I draw that line at the bottom, I'm going to go ahead and draw the line at the back of the brow. When it comes to brows, it just depends on how you want your brows. It takes me like 20 to 30 minutes to do my brow. I don't know, like it has to be precise, y'all. It has to. So y'all, I'm just gonna go ahead and take a lighter shade. I love the ombre brow. Sometimes you could just go in with one shade and just do it that way, but me, I just love a ombre brow. So I'm only showing one, and then I go ahead and take the 2 concealer method, which is take a lighter concealer towards the brow bone area, and then also taking a darker concealer in the front. Okay, y'all, so I love a lighter concealer because it's going to make that brow bone pop, along with when you're putting shadow on your lid. It's going to make the brow bone pop, if that makes sense. So it's just going to be a lighter color right there, and your brow bone is going to pop versus from it being all over your brow. That's key. Take that in. I'll try to explain it, but I'll probably be bad at explaining. I always be bad at explaining stuff. So yeah, I try my best to like go around the brows with this turban on. The next tutorial, I'm not going to put the turban on. I'm just going to do it without it, and then put the turban on my head, if that makes sense. Because I just feel like it was in the way. However, I do not want y'all to see me in that wig cap. That's why I had the turban on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out. And yeah, go ahead with that lighter concealer, a little bit, like maybe 1 shade lighter than me, 1 or 2 shades lighter than me in the front. And I am going to take my brush and carve these babies out. Look at that brow. Ooh. Let's take a moment and look at these brows. Like, I be slaying these brows. Like, are you serious? Look at that. Y'all been doing this for so long now, and it's just crazy. And I'm just looking at it like, wow, you are really good at this. And y'all will be too if y'all take it step by step and look at exactly what I'm doing. Now it's time to take the base, and I let it sit for a little bit, and I am patting it out. And I always use my 142 concealer buffer brush. And then now it's time to go into my Nova Beauty palette. This is the Smoky palette, and I want to take that black, and I'm going to pack this on the outer V of my eyes, but going into a small C shape. So outer V all the way into the corner of the eyes, which is stopping at the inner tear duct. I'm going to do this on each side. Some people telling me to do color. Like, okay, we want to incorporate color, but y'all got to go shop Nova Beauty, okay? This is what this is about, Nova Beauty. But I did want to incorporate some colors in here, and because I haven't played in colors in a long time, but I did want to add black. That black was called Mood, but I'm going to go ahead and take my bronze palette from Nova Beauty and go in with the color Naranja. Y'all, I probably was saying this wrong. I think I said Naramia or something in my last story, but this is called Naranja. Oh my god, that orange is so pretty. That it's giving me Halloween vibes right there. That black and orange, perfect. But I'm going to go ahead and incorporate some other colors in this that is not in this palette. I'm going to go ahead and take a blue, and I'm also going to go ahead and take a purple. So once I'm adding all of those colors, I'm going to go ahead and off camera blend all of these colors together to get the pigmentation that I want. Also to blend everything out. So that is how it looks. I did go ahead off camera and take the colors up a notch, and now I'm going to add base because we are not doing a cut crease. We are doing a no cut crease look. So you want to blend this out. Make sure you are blending everything out, even the edges. Like, and if you have to take away some, like I'm doing right now, to blend those edges or that base seamless, go ahead and do so now, because once you add that shadow and it stains, and you're going to be like, why is this not blending? You're going to be upset. So please take that into consideration and blend and take away some of that base. Now I'm going to go ahead with this beautiful yellow. I just went in my drawer and found some old ones. Okay. This beautiful yellow, this beautiful orange out of the Nova Beauty palette, Naranja. I did go back into that because that was orange. And then I also went ahead and I took this beautiful magenta shade, y'all, that's coming up next. I don't know why or what possessed me to do this look, but I'm telling you, when I'm just sitting down and just being creative, I just go in a space of, this is like my release. Like, I still do these type of tutorials because I love doing it. Like, it's just a creative side, and doing looks like this really make me happy, because it just expresses, I have to express myself. And like I said, I'm coming on here too with turbans on, because if I don't, then I'm just gonna be sitting around waiting to get my hair done. That's what took me so long to do a lot of tutorials, because I just think that, like, okay, well, I gotta get my hair done, so just no, girl, you better put that turban on and get to doing stuff, because we don't have time to waste. And that's why y'all don't see me a lot either. But y'all know what? I found me another replacement, and that's what we doing. I blend the edges of that green out, as y'all seen previous, and then I add a little shimmer in the corner. I am also going to go ahead and set my set my lashes. I have to calm down because I'm talking too much. Lashes, for the falsies. And I just added mascara, and then I applied these falsies. What was giving me a hard time with these lashes? I had put, what is that? I put liner on it because I had something on the lashes and I wanted to get rid of it. And when I put the glue on, it act like it wasn't sticking. So I don't know. It's just, why are you doing this? So y'all, when I tell you this, look at this foundation, like, it is flawless. Look at the skin. Girl, did you see that? Did you see that? Before I put this foundation on, I went ahead and I put on some cream and also primer so that everything goes smooth. I feel like this application was really good today. I really liked it. And then I tried my best to like kind of go around the turban, but once again, you're gonna see me again with a turban on, and I'm gonna go and put that on after I do my makeup. I feel like it makes perfect sense. I thought about that and I was like, it's not gonna really get on my turban. Girl, it did. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my concealer. I'm starting off with a concealer that's 2 shades lighter than me, and then I also like to go ahead and take a darker concealer on the outer parts of my eyes, y'all. I'm gonna put it everywhere else, which is underneath my nose, on my chin, and yeah, y'all didn't see that part, but yeah, blending everything out. And the most important thing is to go back in with that foundation brush and blend out those edges. Y'all want to blend out those edges. Now I'm about to do my nose. I'm going to do a tutorial where I don't do my nose. Let me know if y'all want to see that, because I always do my nose and I always snatch my nose. Let me know if y'all want to see a soft nose contour. I think I'm going to try to do something like that. I went ahead and bronzed with a foundation stick, and y'all already know this foundation stick. I'm going to go ahead and pat this out. I do spray my face in between sessions as I'm applying so that everything can be like reactivated. Like, I need some moisture back into it. It's going to blend seamlessly. So go ahead and spray that mist. Now with doing my nose, I go ahead and take this tiny brush to get on the sides and just blend it out, and then I go in between, blend out the concealer, and then go back in with that tiny brush to kind of further blend it. I do take a lighter concealer in the inner corner after doing that, and then I go ahead and take some liquid blush just to go in between the concealer and the bronzer, y'all, and everything is just perfectly set together. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set everything. This is my favorite part. My favorite part is actually applying the powder, seeing everything become matte, y'all. Girl, get it right. Seeing everything become matte and set is what gets me hype, because look at that. It's just flawless to just see that I can just create a bomb face. Like, oh my god. It is gorgeous. I'm in love with this look. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and take some loose powder. This is key too. I started doing this like months and months ago. Applying, well, actually I started last year, at the end of last year, applying powder. Like, it changed, and it just keeps the face matte. Now if you don't want a matte face, of course you don't want to apply loose powder, but I do go ahead and apply loose powder. I'm taking my bronzer, and I want to bronze my face. Y'all love bronzer. I don't even contour anymore. Do y'all remember the era where we used to contour? Y'all, girl. Some people probably still do contour, but I don't know. I like the bronzer more. And if I do want a little bit of darkness, I go ahead and just take a darker powder. I go ahead and I take ASAP, and I put this in my waterline. This is from Nova Beauty. So if y'all haven't checked out Nova Beauty, go ahead and do so now in the description bar below. Okay, go ahead and click that link and shop Nova Beauty right now. What are you waiting on? Now I'm going to go ahead and take that black from Nova Beauty. It was Mood, and then I also took that pink just to smoke everything out. Wiping off the excess powder on my face, y'all, and then I'm going to go ahead and finish my face up. I'm coming back in, y'all, because when I say it is essential to add a mold to every look I do, it is. Okay, go ahead and plop them molds up on there. It just makes the look extra. Okay, so now it's time for lips, and I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with this beautiful brown liner, y'all. And I overline my lips. Y'all already know I do, even though I have lip fillers, but I go ahead and I still overline my lips. Um, as far as the lips, I know y'all probably want to see color, and I'm going to give y'all more of that. That's going to be coming. Oh, and it's fall time. So we're going to stick with the nude. I'm going to go ahead with the Nova Beauty lipstick in the shade Tone. This is a beautiful nude shade, okay, for the all shades, for the, especially for dark skin girls, okay? I love this color, y'all. Just pair with a brown lip liner. They have a multiple. A good one is a brown 2 from their line. And y'all, that is the lip. I'm going to go ahead and put some lip gloss in the center, some more nude and clear. And y'all, that is the look. I'm going to meet y'all on the outro, but I really hope y'all like this look, and I'm going to see y'all later. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Click that subscribe button down below. If y'all made it this far, I don't even know why y'all didn't click it. Like, do y'all gotta watch a couple more videos to be convinced to click it? No, this is the one. So click that subscribe button down below. Also, don't forget to comment, because that also helps with interaction and to get the video to the front page so that everyone can see the video. So yeah, y'all, this is cute, y'all. I can't wait. Like, I have a vlog coming up too. I want y'all to stay tuned for that vlog, y'all. I just can't wait. Things are probably about to change, and I'm just so ready. But y'all, I'm just quiet. Letting things move in its pace. But y'all, I just want to say that before I left. So until then, I'll see you guys on my next makeup tutorial.